Course, we'll let you know, and as you also know, ABC7, we are committed to helping build a better Bay Area here. And to do that, we're focused on 4 areas, including the impact the pandemic is having on the economy. And with so many people out of work right now, finding a job is a critical part of the rebuilding the economy process. That's why every week we're job hunting with Jobina. Jobina has a look at one industry that's hiring right now. Hey, Jobina.
Hey, Julian. Yes, so I talked to the owner of Service Champions Heating and Air Conditioning. He is ready to hire people in the Bay Area right now. We're talking about essential workers. And one of the most unique things about these open roles is that you don't need any experience. Yeah, let's turn that air on because it is hot out there. And so is the job market, at least as it relates to this.
We hire for attitude and we train for skill.
Kevin Comerford is the owner and founder of Service Champions Heating and Air Conditioning. With the summer temps here and more people spending time at home, Comerford's Bay Area business is in demand.
If their furnace needs maintenance, if their furnace breaks down.
The team replaces water heaters too, basically anything under the home comfort umbrella. So calling all technicians, they need you.
And these are folks that love to work with their hands and also love customer service. We deal with the 3 most volatile elements inside of a home. You've got carbon monoxide, so you've got 220 volt electricity, and then you've got natural gas. So once the pandemic hit us, we needed to make sure that A, our clients were protected, and B, that our team members were protected.
That means masks, gloves, sanitizing before and after visits, among other precautions. But say the hands-on life isn't for you. There are open positions in the Service Champions call center in Pleasanton.
We've got 250 team members right now, and we're looking to double that within the next 3 to 5 years.
That number is for the whole company. Then you don't need skills for any of these departments. This is video of employee training pre-pandemic. It still exists now, just in a different form. It's called Champions University, where you learn the ropes and get paid.
The slogan is a high-paying career without a 4-year.
There we go. Here's an open role at Service Champions right now. As I mentioned, they need technicians. Some of the job responsibilities include completing routine maintenance on residential heating and air conditioning systems, operating tools to inspect, repair, and conduct maintenance on furnaces and compressors, and maintaining client relationships. If you are interested in anything that you saw in the story or any of our previous job segments, you can find all that information on abc7news.com. And we will be right back after the break.